So in this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to deploy your Next.js application on Vercel. Now, many of you have asked me how to do that on my WhatsApp chatbot tutorial with Twilio. So let's get started. So it's a two-step process. In the first step, we'll create a GitHub repo. And on the second step, we'll deploy it in the Vercel. So I will go to my GitHub and I will create a new repository. I will name it WhatsApp chatbot. I will make it private in this case, but you can always make it public. And then afterwards, I will click on create the repository. Okay, so now the repository got created. So since our code is already prepared, we need to push our existing code to this repo. If you scroll down, you can also see the description here, which are pretty easy to follow. So I will copy the first line, which is adding an origin to our GitHub repo. So I will go to my code. I will initialize my Git repo. So git init. Okay, and then we'll add this command here. And we'll go back here and then I will copy the second command, which is creating the main branch, and I will paste it. And then afterwards, I will add everything to this branch and push it. So git add all, git commit -m, and then the message. Okay, so if I say git status, everything got committed. So in addition to that, just one more tip, which is make sure you have a git ignore file in your project. A standard Next.js git ignore would suffice here. And let's go back and let's copy the final command here. And I will type it here, and this will push everything to the Git repo. Next, I will go to the Vercel. Now in Vercel, it's already giving me templates to choose from, so I will choose Next.js. And here we have three options. So either you can use GitHub or you have GitLab and Bitbucket as well. So let me connect my GitHub here. And I will give it an access to only the repo I want, which is WhatsApp. Okay, so install. All right, so it got connected. Now what we need to do is we need to go back, click on go back, and here you can see that the repo we just created, it's there. So now what we can do is click on import and it will open the project configuration. So let me take you through the project. You can name your project something else. I will just name it WhatsApp chatbot. And then the framework is Next.js, obviously. The root directory, I will leave it as is. Then we have build setting options. I will leave that as is as well. Now environment variable, this is important because in our Git repo, the environment file was not pushed because it should not be pushed in Git repo. It's an environment file, so it should only be created within the server or within the local machine. So what we need to do is create the variables which will contain our OpenAI key. So let me go to the code and I will open my environment.local file, and then I will copy my key and also paste this here and then add. Now if you have any other environment variables, you can always add it here as well. Next, we'll have to click on deploy. So it will take a little bit of time. Oh, so it gave me this error here. So I guess we cannot put space separated values. So let me just make sure it's the same as before. And now let's deploy and start deploying. All right, so it's all deployed. And if I go to that URL, I can click here. And since we don't have anything in our home page, it's showing like this. But if I click here and open API/message, it's generating this XML message. In order for our chatbot to work, we need to place this URL in Twilio's dashboard. So you can do that as well. Now, couple of things here. Whenever you push something on GitHub, Vercel will recompile the code again with the latest commit. So that's something to keep in mind. So guys, this has been a quick tutorial. Make sure to like and subscribe, and also look out for the future exciting new videos as well. Thank you for watching.